Guys, we're doing the intro. We already did the estimate for this lady. Guys, oh my God, wait till we're in the hallway and she turns on the attic exhaust fan. You're not gonna want to miss it. Oh God. Here we are.
Oh, hi, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
I'm Mike, and this is Peter. And you are? Mrs. Lee?
Yes.
How are you?
Good, thank you. You want to check outside first?
Okay, would you like us to?
Uh-huh.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, where do we go? This way?
Yeah, this way. Yeah.
Oh God. That's an old ream, I think. Without even seeing, it's a ream. It's like an oven, yeah. Oh, what's wrong? It's a Trane. It's a Trane, Gus, number 14. This is the executive. Wow. If this is the executive, imagine what like the mailroom clerk looks like. Wow, look at that. So, Peter, what is that thing called right there?
Oh, filter dryer.
Yeah, that is a suction line filter dryer. Yeah. By the way, if you were to I've done this before. I've actually touched one of those caps before on a system and blew its load, lost its whole entire charge of R22. I was working for American Home Shield at the time when I first started, all right, because I was hungry for business. I worked for this home warranty company, all right, and I was like, oh, let me see what that is. And I touched, like, bow, and yeah, the customer paid for refrigerant. So we have this old Trane executive series. Let's see if I can get the model. There it is. Wow, old Trane. You know, Ted Cook loved these guys. So if that was manufactured in May of 1985, how many more years older is that piece of equipment than you are?
21.
Wow. That's also legal to drink. You got an old unit there.
Yeah, very old. Yeah, do you have a ladder?
Why, to go into the attic?
Yeah, you want to go check it?
Well, based on what I see outside, you probably have to rip everything out.
Yes.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. Let's see the filter and the thermostat and attic access. How do you get into the attic so I can prepare a quote for you?
Yeah, the attic is from the closet.
Okay, can I see?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can you?
I'll take my shoes off. It's easier.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Yeah. This is it's already broken. Yes.
So, why are you looking to replace the system?
It's not working very well.
Okay.
Yes.
And there's the thermostat. And that's the timer for the old attic fan?
This is timer?
Yeah, for the attic fan.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what it is.
You've never used it before? This?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's the attic fan right here, see? That opens up. It's attic fan, attic exhaust fan.
Oh.
You've never used it before, have you?
How to open it?
No, you turn it. See that little dial? It's like a clock. No, I guess it doesn't work. There it goes.
Oh. No.
You probably turn it off. Oh my God, I thought the thing was going to collapse. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. You don't see that every day. It's an attic exhaust fan. So at night, you open the windows. When it gets cool out in the evening, you open the windows, right? You turn on the attic exhaust fan. Those things open up, and it sucks in air from outside through the house and outside and out the attic. Oh. You don't feel cool already, though? Can we do it again? Yeah. All that duct work. That's all. The newest thing is the return. Wow. Old duck board. Look at that. It's all duck board. You gotta rip all that out. Yeah, and there's that exhaust fan for the attic. Wow. Well, we don't have OSHA-approved floor, but we got a lot of duct work. That's for sure. The big expense here is the duct work. Listen, the system is from the mid '80s, 85 to be exact, and it may be older than that. That's the age of the outdoor unit. How old's the house?
50.
50.
Yeah.
The duct work is probably from the 70s.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay.
It's not a cheap job.
20.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think that was a sticker shock for her.
Yeah.
You gotta rip it all out, bro. There's no lighting in the attic, no flooring, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Except a system with equipment, an outdoor equipment that was from 1985. The ductwork is probably from the 70s. Just guessing. I've done it before.
Not cheap.
It's not. Listen, it's not cheap.
A lot of work.
It's not cheap. You know, you gotta get rid of the line set. You gotta, upgrade the electric, right? You gotta do lighting in the attic. You gotta do some kind of planks in there. The newest component of this whole house, am I keeping it real, was the return duct. You didn't see it. I have a video of it. I took a video of it. That was the newest thing, but other than that, it's all ductboard up there. And I'm sure it's great, but when you deal with a new system, okay, so listen, you want to buy a new car, but are you going to get a new engine with the car and a new transmission, new tires, a new body? Or do you want to just get a new engine and a new transmission in your old car? It's still an old car with a new engine, new transmission. Just keeping it real. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Not every day you see a dinosaur like that.